Welcome to this Harrow College virtual open day for maths. My name's Lucy and I'm hosting the session today, and I'll hand over very shortly to my colleague Rebecca from the maths department, who will give you some more details about the maths provision that we have at Harrow College. If you haven't already registered for our open days, then please do fill out the registration form. The link for that is in our chat box below. And if you haven't registered, just fill that out so that we can send you a link to the recording and obviously give you some more information about Harrow College. We do have a communication support worker with us. Debbie's with us today. So if you just want to pop in the chat, if you would need that support. If not, we will save Debbie the effort of signing everything for you. But do let us know in the chat if you would benefit from the BSL interpretation today. If you do have any questions, we are using the chat box for questions as well. So if you want to pop those through as we're going along, and we'll pick those up at the end to answer. So I'm now going to stop sharing and hand over to my colleague Rekha to share the information for maths. Rekha, over to you.
Hi, welcome to Maths. So I'm a maths lecturer who works at Harrow College. My name is Rekha Yalventhan. So I'm going to go through the courses that we offer at Harrow College. So we have functional skills maths and GCSE maths. Of course, we do A-level maths, but A-level maths come under science department. So I'm not going to talk about A-level maths here. So in GCSE maths, this course is for students who need to get a grade 4 or above in GCSE. So to go into university or to progress into different careers. The entry requirement for GCSE is a grade D or a grade 3, which is the new grading system in GCSE maths, or they should have passed functional skills maths at level 1 in their previous attempts. And we do foundation and higher GCSE maths, and we use Edexcel exam board. So you can find all the information about GCSE maths course in Edexcel website, which is given here. And it's a full-time course, so it runs from September till June. The lesson times are that there'll be 2 lessons per week. And we do have some package groups for GCSE, which is 2 science packages. GCSE science package is a normal triple science package, and we've got GCSE combined science package, and we've got a separate ESOL science package. So these 3 packages also do GCSE, either foundation or higher, according to their ability. And the final assessment, final exams will be in May and June every year. And they have 3 papers, 2 calculator papers and 1 non-calculator paper. And let's move on to functional skills math. And as Lucy said, if you have any questions, you can put in the chat. So I'll be answering all those questions at the end of the session. So the next course is functional skills maths, and we run this in entry levels, level 1 and level 2. And entry level 1 is the lowest level, and then 2, 3. Those who pass entry levels, they can move on to level 1 and then level 2. Those who pass level 1, they can progress to either to level 2 or to GCSE maths. And this course is for those who want to progress in their maths and progress in their further studies, especially vocational courses. Then the functional skills maths would be much better than the GCSE qualifications. This is also a full-time course, runs from September till June, and the lesson time, we've got 1 lesson per week. And like I said before, we have entry levels, level 1 and level 2, and we do the Edexcel exam board, same as GCSE. So you can find further details in their exam, Edexcel exam website as well. Entry requirements to do functional skills maths You should have passed functional skills maths at level 1 to study at level 2. And you should have passed entry level 3 to study functional skills maths at level 1. For entry levels, we at least expect a basic mathematical knowledge to get into entry level 1, 2, and 3. When functional skills exams, actually there are three exams in 1 year, so there'll be three opportunities for you to sit, and the first one will be in January every year, and then the next one will be in March, then maybe in May or June. So you have three opportunities, not like GCSE. Here you can do the final exam 3 times, and you'll get so many different types of support from us. We have remote teaching. We just put information in Google Classroom, and we've got a nice online library with so many books and resources. And we use Moodle as well for supporting you. And we this year we have introduced a new platform called Century.tech, which has videos, worksheets, and so many good explanation flashcards which can be used for GCSE as well as functional skills. And we always run extra classes to catch up, and we run revision sessions during every half terms. Okay, that's all from me. If you have any questions, you can ask or you can put it through the chat.
Thank you, Rekha. Very informative about the range of programs that we offer for maths. So thank you for that. Haven't had any questions come into the chat just yet, but I just wonder if I might just ask a couple of questions that you probably will have the answers for. So in terms of students, if they come and study functional skills with us at level 1 or level 2, can they progress from those courses onto other maths qualifications?
If they do level 1 and level 2 functional skills, they can move to GCSE level. But once they finish GCSE level only, they can move to A levels. But A levels, they won't be able to do without 6 GCSE grades.
Yeah.
So with functional skills, we offer the maximum is level 2.
Yeah. And in terms of anybody who's studying a full-time program, if they haven't got the GCSE maths and English grades to a level 4, is that part of the provision that you offer as well within your department?
Yes, those who come to us without a grade 4 in GCSE, they all get a chance to do either GCSE or functional skills according to their ability. So we have a diagnostic test.
That's great. And I know there's lots of, although maths is quite formula based, I know that there's a lot of sort of practical work and guidance that the team give. I don't know whether or not you can just share with us maybe some of the experience of the team and how you help support students.
Actually, I'm proud to say we are one of the best team in our college. We always get good grades. I think last year and the year before, I think for the last few years, we got really good grades. So we do so many practicals, like practical real life questions in day-to-day lessons. So on top of that, we just embed their main curriculum as well. We just, because our worksheets have, for an example, if I teach a sports group, I do have questions about sports and measuring the lengths and finding the times of all. So always we try to embed their main curriculum within the maths course. But of course, at the end of the year, they have to sit for the real exam where they have to sit and do a paper. So we need to balance the practical and the theory. And we always we run so many revision sessions during half terms and during holidays, and especially December and Easter and May half terms. We always run sessions to improve our learners' grades.
Yeah, that's great. I know certainly the maths department really do get good grades, and students are always very grateful. So sometimes maths can be a bit scary, I think, but I think it's good to have the team who are able to help. And as Rek has said, if you are studying a hairdressing course or a sports course or a computing course, and you need that maths and English, a lot of people do one or the other or both. And if you need that support, then those examples that the maths team can bring in to help you learn and understand really does give a good basis. And then obviously, as you say, when you sit the exams at the end of the year, then you've got good knowledge and understanding to help you.
Yeah, actually, we do have meetings with their main course lecturers to make them aware of what we do and how we can embed things within the maths curriculum. So we do that as well. We always liaise with them, and then we get the information from their main course teachers as well.
Yeah, no, that's really helpful. Thank you, Rekha. No other questions have come in, so I'll just wrap up the session just to say thank you to Rekha for sharing the information about both the functional skills and the GCSE maths courses that we do offer to our students at Harrow College. Just to say, if you are interested in applying for a course, applications are open now, so you can hop online and do an online application. And also we will have a full-time prospectus available, so if you do want a hard copy, we can get that sent out to you. We have had a welcome session. If you have missed the welcome session that we've run, that will be available on our website. So that will give you some more information about the college and the support, not just that you get with the maths, but in general. And we'll send a link to that and to this recording if you've registered for us. Just a reminder, if you haven't registered for the open day, the link is still in the chat, so you can still do that. So it'd be useful, then we can email you and send you out some more details. Do hope that you've enjoyed the session today. I know there's a lot of information, very dedicated maths team we're proud to have at the college. So thank you, Rekha, again for sharing that. That's all we have for today, folks. So as I say, do hop online. You can see the recording, get more information as well about the courses we have to offer. On that note, just remains for me to say thank you for joining us and have a good
Thank
rest of the
you.
evening. Thank you.